akwenzela umphakathi khona okumsize kakhulu ekutheni athole ibhayili. Inkantolo ayizange ibuthola ubufakazi bokuthi umsolwa wagwajisa ofakazi kusukela kwabi kwangaso lesi sigameko. Iphinde yakuza ukuthi umsolwa uyimisele ngokunikela ngezinye ibhamu zakhe kwabakwazidlodlo ukuze beyibheke.
The bail is set in amount of 15,000 rands with the following condition: that the applicant should not interfere, intimidate any of the state witnesses for the duration of this case. An investigating officer will provide the names of the witnesses so that the applicant knows which witnesses he is not supposed to interact with.
Nokho i-EFF izwakalise ukudumala ngokukhishwa komsolwa ngebhayili.
We are a bit disappointed because this was just one of the confirmations that the Roman Dutch laws that govern South Africa will always favor the rich, in particular the white, because when you listen to the magistrate, he made mention that the comparison between Jacob Zuma's case and Mr. Trotsky's case, it's actually irrelevant. But when you look at the judgment by the Equality Court against Julius Malima's case, and we are bringing this because the magistrate says that during the video clip or in the interview, the community members there or the activists seemed to not to be bothered, or rather not even intending to violently engage with the accused.
Umsolwa ulindeleke ukuba besenkantolo ngomfumfu kanye nengane ededelwe ukuba ibhekwa abazali bayo. Inkantolo iphinde yakubalula ukuthi abeyindaba bazovunyelwa ngokuzayo njengoba kuzobe sekukhona nengane encane esolwayo nayo kulolu daba.